Whether you're designing a safer car or architecting a new world, generative AI is pushing the limits of artificial intelligence, helping creators to unlock their full potential from anywhere, even the palm of your hand.
Qualcomm is packing more and more processing in smaller and smaller devices at the lowest power possible.
This kind of on-device technology is faster, more secure, and it's optimized for you. You can take data from one device and seamlessly transfer it to another. It can be on your phone, your PC, or even your XR glasses.
Okay, bring it up.
What have you thought about for solar energy and using that to offset the power consumption of the building?
Yep, let me show you what we have. Add a solar panel array on the top edge of the building on a hinge system. There we go.
It's truly instantaneous.